never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time.
Welcome to my channel. This is your first time stopping by, welcome. And for my returning viewers, for my returning subscribers, thank you all so much. So in today's video, I'll be making my sister's hair, and I'm left-handed, so you guys will be seeing a left-handed person braid knotless braid. Yeah, like make knotless braids. Then as you're watching that, I'll be talking about something I feel not a lot of people talk about. So recently I shared like pictures and videos of my hair length with my friends, and they just kept on throwing questions at me. What are you doing? What are you doing to your hair? What are the products you're using for your hair? Just different questions like that just coming up, and I just felt there are different things I needed to tackle, because when I was looking at them, and that's not the first time they're asking me questions like that, and then I've told them what I'm using, and then it's like after a few period of time when they see my hair again, it's like, oh, what are you doing to your hair again, and all those kind of questions. So I just feel I need to like hit some things like the basics about growing natural hair that many people don't talk about. So I found out that I could grow my hair, that a black person can have waist length natural hair or relaxed hair, and even more than waist length. Like you can just keep growing your hair as long as you wish. I found out that it's possible to take care of your hair. Hair does grow all the time, but like to retain the length for it to be as long as you wish to keep your hair to be, and all of that. So I just found out the whole hair care routine and how to take care of my hair, and every around the ember months of 2019, but I started taking care of my hair proper 2020 January. Like that's when I started taking care of my hair. So like this year now, 2023, that means I'm 3 years and some months into the whole hair care routine and hair growth and hair retention and all of that. So I just feel, message for the day, that I should talk about the main basics, like talk about the truths about hair growth that lots of people used to talk about. So now the first thing that I want to mention is the fact that in order to grow your natural hair, in order to get into the whole natural hair journey and everything, you need to be ready. You need to know that yes, I am ready to do this. You need to understand that it's a lifetime something. It's not something that you're just going to start doing and after 3 months, after 6 months, after a year, that's if you go reach a year, 2 years, you now stop and just be like, I'm not doing this again and all of that. No. Hair growth journey, hair care journey is a journey. It's a journey that you just keep going through. It's just like how every day when you wake up, you take your baths, you brush your mouth. That's the same way you have to have time for your hair all the time, on patience with your hair all the time. Like you're ready to love your hair. That's one thing. Then another thing again that I'm going to talk about is the fact that single product you use on your hair that will just magically grow your hair to be waist length, knee length, whatever length, mid-back. There's no single product that works that way. There are many products that can aid with hair growth, hair care and everything, but you cannot just be using only hair oil on your hair without washing your hair properly, without keep protecting your hair in such a way that you can retain length and then it doesn't break off and is well maintained. Like you can't just be using hair oil alone and just expect your hair to magically grow. You need to like maintain your hair, you need to wash your hair, you need to deep condition your hair, you need to apply leave-in conditioner, you need to know how to manage your hair when it's in a particular style and all of that. So the whole term of just asking someone, oh, what did you use for your hair to make your hair grow that long and everything? Yeah, like it gets to a stage whereby you can ask people like, okay, so what was that one of those products you're using? Like, okay, I can be like, oh, I'm actually using rice water on my hair, I'm using aloe vera on my hair and all of that. But that's not the only thing. Where I'm coming from is that is not the only thing they're using on their hair. And then this video is a video for beginners that are willing to go into the natural hair journey situation, not for people that are already in the natural hair journey situation. So that I can watch some of these videos that say video that is saying I grew my hair out with aloe vera and all of that. I just need people to understand that when you're watching that person's video, or when someone says something like that, that's not the only thing they're using on their head. It's not just aloe vera and then her hair is growing long, or she's using just any kind of shampoo. Like, I don't know. I just hope I'm breaking it down properly, that it's not just one product that is growing her hair. There's a shampoo, there's a leave-in conditioner, there's a deep conditioner, and everything. There's a method to which she's using the products, or he's using the products that is helping their hair grow. So I just hope that that's well explained. Any question you have, just drop it. Till I didn't explain properly, I would still, if there's a question, I'll hit on that and answer it and all of that. Then yeah, okay, I just got another example that I can even use. Okay, now for instance, rice water. You cannot be using rice water on your hair. When I first found out about how to grow my hair, one of the first products or things, products I knew is a product that I knew could grow my hair or could help with the whole hair growth and length retention stuff is rice water. So the first time I saw the video of grow your hair with rice water and all of that, I was like, what the hell? How are you asking me to use rice water on my hair, for crying out loud? So I never watched the video. So finally, somehow like that, I ended up landing a video that ended up showing me. No, I first of all saw a lady with waist length hair. I watched a video of a lady getting slick press and her hair was waist length, and I was like, wow. And then when the next video, it was, my YouTube was on autoplay, so the next video that just came up was, they've been recommending the whole rice water, so the next video that came up was how to use rice water on your hair and then all of that. So I was like, oh, okay. And then that's how I watched all the videos and knew about that. So now back to the case. You cannot be using only rice water here. No. So when I found out about the rice water, I decided that, okay, let's do this. So I got the rice water, the fermented rice water, sprayed it on my hair, and then that was it. Like, that was just what I was doing until I realized my mistake. So that I cannot be using only that rice water on my hair. And I realized that rice water is not the only thing I can be using on my hair. I needed to change my shampoo. I needed to get conditioners, like leave-in conditioner, deep conditioner. I needed to get hair oils I could also use on my hair. And the fact that whenever you're using rice water on your hair, it's a protein treatment. It dries your hair out. So after the rice water treatment, you need to deep condition your hair. So that's why I said there's no single magic product. Now rice water grows the hair, but now it becomes your enemy when you're not using when you're not deep conditioning your hair. Instead of it growing your hair will end up breaking off. So too much of protein on the hair is actually bad. Too much of everything is bad. So that's just that on the whole no single product situation going on. I hope everyone now has a better understanding about that. Then another thing again. Now the third thing, the first thing I spoke about was the fact that you need to be ready. The second thing I spoke about was the fact that there's no single magic product. Now you actually need to understand that your hair grows all the time.